Can I have sex in pregnancy? Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Dr. Toya, board certified OBGYN, and I get this question a lot. So the short answer is yes, you can have sex in pregnancy. It is safe once you are comfortable, so please do it. So obviously there are concerns, but in general, sex will not put you into preterm labor. There's evidence to show that it doesn't work for term labor either, even though there's things that is routinely recommended. The amount of prostaglandin that's in the semen is not usually enough to get you into labor. Usually when people who are full term say, I had sex and then the baby came, they were already primed, labor was already coming. It's really unlikely that it was the sex that did it. So a couple things that will happen and that you can expect is that you will have cramping. Like if you're early in the pregnancy, you may have some cramping. If you are later on, you may have contractions, but labor is contractions plus cervical change. So I've seen many people in triage come in after sex contracting and their cervix usually does not change and it's nothing dangerous. Also, your cervix may bleed. The cervix is very vascular in pregnancy, and if there's any trauma to it, it may have bleeding. It's usually from the outside of the cervix. It does not come from inside and does not affect the baby. My general opinions on sex during pregnancy is if in your mind there's any chance that if something untoward were to happen after you had sex, that again is unrelated. So in the first trimester, if you miscarry, if you start to have contractions, if you go into preterm labor or whatever, none of those things are going to be related to sex directly. But if in your mind it's going to be so stressful, especially in the first trimester when the rate of miscarriage is already at its highest, then just don't do it, because it's not worth that mental strain to wonder, is it because I had sex? However, again, it is safe. If you are comfortable, please do it. Enjoy yourself. Go for it. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. And as always, like and follow for more.